Yippee-yi-yay! Welcome to Wonderland. Beer, that is. Sure hope everyone's having a great time.
This is going to be a request show.
Hot dog! I don't request to ride on the log flume.
Not that kind of request, Hank. Song request.
Like they have on the radio?
Right, Bubba. We've done received so many requests
that we decided to oblige with this special show.
You sure heap of nice guys.
You know it.
And our firstest number is the Big Mama from Tadpole. Here we go.
Wish that I was on old Rocky Top down in the Tennessee hills. Ain't no smoggy smoke on Rocky Top, ain't no telephone bill. Once I had a girl on Rocky Top, half bear, the other half cat. Wild as a mink, but sweet as soapy pot, I still dream about that. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. I've had years of cramped up city life, trapped like a dog in a pen. All I know is it's a pity life can't be simple again. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee.
Hey, Rocky, did they name Rocky Top after you?
Shoot, no. When I was born, my mama took one look at my bald head and said, he looks just like Rocky Top. Of course, I'm improved with age.
Like a pint of cheese.
Cheese? Did someone say cheese?
Are we getting our picture talk?
No, Bubba, we're gonna sing. Folks, these next three numbers are dedicated to Giant Wheel Rider, Merry-Go-Round Mary,
And a hot dog ahead.
folks, Miss Henrietta Atpin.
Hear that lonesome whippoorwill. He sounds too blue to fly. The midnight
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Sat down to eat with Cotton Eye Joe, chicken in the bread pan, scratching out dough. Ain't me about it, said Stowe, the roof caved in on Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I'd have been married a long time ago if it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe. With a ball-peen hammer and a 2x4, gonna beat the devil out of Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I fell down and stubbed my toe, all because of Cotton Eye Joe. Oh, my guitar, here I go. I'm gonna dance a Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Okay. Have fun here today. And come back real soon. Howdy, folks. Y'all having a good time?
Gee, this is a Wonderland place.
No, Tony. This is a Wonderland for here.
And a Wonderland place or two.
Right on. And folks, here's a song about another place that's a different kind of Wonderland.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. All my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. I hear a voice in the morning, I should go. Radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads.
Gee, thanks, Bubba. But every time I sing that song, I sure do get homesick.
There's no place like a home. Arriva da Chiroma.
Hey, did y'all know I went to Rome once?
No.
Yeah, it's true. Back when I was doing a solo act, I met this real nice-looking guy who told me he was going to make me a star. Yeah, and he said he was taking me to Rome. Yeah, I quit my gig Folks, did y'all know there's a place called Rome in Georgia?
Hey, what'd you do, Henrietta?
Well, Rocky, I'll tell you just what I told him. Got along without you before I met you, gonna get along without you now. Gonna find somebody twice as cute, cause you didn't love me anyhow. You ran around with every girl in town, and you never cared if it got me down. You had me worried, always on my guard, but you laughed at me cause I tried too hard. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna get along without you now. Take your own garbage out, big boy. You and that mirror. You broke 3 of them just looking in them. Yeah, you think you're so cute. You've got to tie a pork chop around your neck just to get a Doberman to play with you. Got along without you before I met you. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna find somebody twice as cute, cause you didn't love me anyhow. I lost my money and I lost my pride. Didn't have much money, but I really tried. It made you happy when you made me cry, and you broke my heart, so I said goodbye. Gonna get along without you now. Hit the road. Gonna get along without you now. Take off, goodbye. Gonna get along without you now. 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 Gonna get along without you now.
Have a great day.
Go ride the log flume. It's the best.
And say howdy to Wonder Bear if you see him.
And don't miss going up on that giant wheel. What a view!
Ciao. We'll be a-seeing you.
Well, life on the farm is kinda laid back. Ain't nothing but your country boy like me ain't packed. It's early to rise, early in the sack. Thank God I'm a country boy. A simple kind of life, never digging no harm. Raising me a family, working on a farm. My days are filled with an easy country charm. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine life. I got me old fiddle when the sun's coming up. I got kids on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. When the work's all done and the sun's sinking low, I get out my fiddle and I rosin with the bow. If the kids are asleep, so I keep it kind of low. Thank God I'm a country boy. I'd play Sally Gooden all day if I could, but the Lord and my wife wouldn't take it very good. So I fiddle when I can and I work when I should. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, the fiddle was my daddy's till the day he died, and he took me by the hand and held me close by his side. He said, live a good life and play my fiddle with pride. And thank God you're a country boy. My daddy taught me young how to hunt and how to whittle. He taught me how to work and play a tune on the fiddle. He taught me how to love and how to give just a little. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy.
Hey there, everyone. How you doing? Boys and lady, say howdy to the folks.
Howdy to the folks.
I'm Rocky, and I'd sure like for y'all to meet these musical marvels. Bubba Bunga. Henry Howells.
Just call me Hank.
Our Southern Belle, Henrietta Anfield.
Why, it surely is lovely to see y'all.
Antonio Vermicelli.
Buongiorno, spaghetti, fettuccine, chianti.
What is he talking about there? Y'all have to excuse Tony, folks. Now, truth is, he was born in Nebraska.
It's in the blood, in the mind, in the heart.
But when he sings, he sings just plain amazing.
What can I say?
Together, folks, we are Rocky and the Railroad Ramblers.
And then
And here comes the Mockingbird Hill.
When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses from my windowsill, then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops of Mockingbird Hill. To wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. There's peace and goodwill.
Got a three-cornered plow and an acre to till, and a mule that I bought for a $10 bill. There's a tumble-down shack and a rusty old mill, but it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Sure didn't sound like Italian birds.
Hey, when you finish riding all these great rides here,
Go
come
ahead.
back to see us.
have a ride on the merry-go-round for me.
Have a real Wonderland kind of day.